Hey, you ever just have a recipe that you never wanted to share with anybody because it was so good to them that you just wanted to hold on to it? Well, regretfully, today I'm going to share that with you. And because it's so easy to make, you're going to be like, that's it? Stay tuned, y'all. Hey, everybody, welcome back to the channel, BZQ Kitchen and Grill. My name is Mike, or some of you know me as Mad Dog. Look, I don't like going by that name, but my boy AB calls me Mad Dog all the time. And now he's got all of you calling me Mad Dog. So I guess Mad Dog it is. Anyway, let's get back into what we're cooking today. It's a recipe that I did not want to share, and I have not shared it. I think maybe a few people have tried to make it and just forgot. But this is really like super easy to make. Some of you are going to thank me because it's holiday season and everybody likes mac and cheese during the holidays. So I'm going to show you a very simple recipe today on how to make this. And after this video is done, you are definitely going to thank me. We've got 1 cup of mild cheddar cheese. Got 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. Maybe a cup and a half of pepper jack cheese. Now, you don't have to use pepper jack cheese. I like to use pepper jack cheese just to give it a little spice, but you definitely don't have to use it. You can use regular Monterey Jack or Colby or whatever cheese you want to use. But this is the key cheese. This right here, my people, is Muenster cheese. M-U-E-N-S-T-E-R. Muenster. Not like Herman Munster, but Muenster. Okay, so about a cup of this. Now, I have another cup of this, maybe a cup and a half set aside, because we're going to put that over the top of our mac and cheese when we get ready to bake it. All right? This is a tablespoon of salt and pepper. Now, you don't have to use all of this. Season it to your liking. I'm probably not going to use all of it. I may use about half of it. So if you want, you can do about a teaspoon of black pepper and salt. This is 1 cup of heavy cream. Now, you can use half and half if you want. I've been told over time when I've used other different types of milk that it just gives it more of a creaminess. To each his own. You can use half and half. You can use regular milk if you want. It's totally up to you. And this recipe that I'm showing you now calls for 1 pound of elbow macaroni. All right. So we're going to get started into this right away. You guys stay tuned and I'll show you exactly what we're doing. Now here we're stirring our noodles into our hot water. I've added salt for flavor and a little bit of olive oil so the noodles don't stick. You want to make sure you do not boil the noodles for too long or they'll be soft when you put your mac and cheese in the oven. Okay, here we're adding our stick of butter. I've already melted it down so it makes it easy to stir in. You want to make sure you get that thoroughly stirred in there. After you do that, you want to add 2 eggs. Now, I didn't talk about the 2 eggs in the beginning with the ingredients because I forgot. But here you want to add 2 eggs. So for every pound of macaroni, it's going to be 2 eggs. So if you double this, you want to use 4 eggs. All right. Right after that, stir those in, and we're going to add our salt and pepper. Now, as I said before, you don't have to use it all. I just took a couple of pinches and added it in there just for flavor. Okay. So once you get that in there, you want to stir it in as well, and then add your heavy cream. So once you add your heavy cream, you're going to stir that in. Note that every time you add an ingredient, you want to make sure that you stir it in thoroughly. All right, so once you've done that, you want to start incorporating your cheese. So here you see I'm going to add 1 cup of the cheddar cheese. And then right after that, I'm going to stir it in. Get it in there really good. Once you stir that in, you want to add your other cheese. As you can see, I'm adding the other sharp cheddar cheese. It's good to use both because one is a little bit more pungent than the other. Now we're going to add our pepper jack cheese. So as I stated before, you don't necessarily have to use pepper jack cheese. You can use Monterey Jack or any type of jack cheese will do. And it's going to be good either way. So if you want a little bit more flavor, do that. Now the magic cheese, we're going to add that Muenster cheese. Hey folks, this cheese makes it really creamy, makes it really gooey. You're gonna love Muenster cheese, and you're probably gonna start using it on a lot more other things. But it's a delicious cheese to begin with as well. All right, so as you can see, we're stirring it in the pot, and this is really where the macaroni and cheese is made. It's all gravy after this. You just add it to your pan, and then you're gonna put it in the oven. So make sure that when you are stirring it in, first of all, the heat's not on. Secondly, you want to stir it in really good. Okay, so once you're done with that, make sure you coat your Pyrex dish or your casserole dish with some type of non-stick grease, butter, olive oil. It doesn't matter what you use, but something that's going to allow the macaroni to not stick. As you can see, I'm just kind of smoothing out the top here. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to start adding my layer of cheese on the top. Now you want to make sure that you do not cake this on, because you're not trying to make macaroni and cheese pie. You don't want the top to be too thick. So you're just trying to spread it out evenly, get a nice layer on there. As you can see, I have more Muenster cheese and more of the cheddar mixed in. Once you're done with that, it goes right into the oven at 350 for 35 minutes. All right, so this is the finished product. As you can see, still cooking. Nice and cheesy on the top, but not too cheesy. Get close up there. Good stuff. Now I'm gonna have to take me a taste of this, you know. So let me get me a plate so I can dig in. Well, taste test time. Let's oh yeah. Oh, that's good stuff. Okay. And I'm sorry to be mukbanging on you right now. This is definitely mukbang cuisine. You get your mukbang on. Oh my goodness. Let me put that to the side. Let me some of this water. Oh my goodness. Hey everybody, guarantee if you make this, everybody's gonna be mukbanging at your table. From your great granny to the babies. This is mukbang cuisine, definitely. Great for the holidays, as you can see. Easy to make, as you can see. And you're gonna impress all your friends with your new mac and cheese recipe. Now there's a lot of macaroni and cheese recipes out there. Hey, this is just one that I make because it's real simple and easy to make. If I had my mother in here, we'd be here for 4 hours trying to make some mac and cheese. Exactly. Okay. So I know that's not what you're trying to do, but this is something you can put together really quick. Real quick. So once again, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. We're trying to grow this channel. We appreciate all of your support, everything that you're doing for BZQ Kitchen and Grill. There's more videos to come for these holidays, so stay tuned, and we'll catch you guys later. Peace.